This is an emergency broadcast from the American government to warn you about the impending attack of an anomalous entity that goes by the name Starman. This anomaly is known to be a destructive deity that destroys universes and anything around it. Its appearance is a quite skinny, jet black, humanoid object with a star-shaped head and one singular bloodshot eye. This entity is also known to be a godlike creature, and extremely destructive to anything around the entity. This is the end of the broadcast. Please wait for another update in 2:53 p.m.
If you think that I'm looking for someone